welcome to another episode of Create with Abby, where I do tutorials on video and photo edits. So today's video is going to be about disappearing. So how you can actually disappear like this and come back. I'm going to be showing you how you can film this one and also edit this on your mobile phone. If you're interested, come on, let's go. So the first point I want to note out to you guys is to make sure that you have your camera in a stable position. For a video like this, you want to use a tripod. We want everything to remain in the same position without moving. So keep your camera in one stable point. First thing you want to do is record the background that you're going to be using. So for this video, I'm going to be using this background. Actually, it's best if you don't have anything else as well, because sometimes there might be distractions with stuff being in your background. So I'm going to be taking those out and I'm having a plain background. So now that you have your background recorded, you now want to record yourself disappearing, but not disappearing, but making that act like you're disappearing. So you can use whatever it is. Like you can use a pole, you can use a cardboard box, I think that's the most popular one, or you can use a belt like I'm about to use, because I can't find any cardboard box in my size. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna be using this belt as a guide. Just make sure that you have something to guide you. You can use your arms if you want. It's up to you if your arms are wide enough. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna be using this belt as a guide. So I'm just gonna be playing an action of me like being scared that, oh my god, I'm disappearing. So you just start and record yourself coming up. And then if you want it to come down, if you want to do like a nice effect of it coming down, you can start by doing. So once you're done creating the video, don't forget guys, record your plain background and then record yourself doing the movements. You can use whatever it is that you want for this. So now that we're done doing that, we're now going to go into editing. This is where the fun happens. Oh, what was that? Anyway, ignore that and let's go. So I'm going to be using Video Leap for this edit. And we're just going to import the videos that we need. So the video of you doing the action and the empty background. So we now layer them on top of one another. So I'm going to be taking this and I'm just going to be putting it over the empty video. I'm just going to arrange it to a one and then delete the parts that I don't need. So now that we have the video on top of the empty layer, we're now going to click on the top video and then click on mask. Now we're going to pick linear mask. So as you can see, if you move it up, you move it down. So now we're just going to, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to increase the feathering a bit so it looks a bit more natural. And then I'm going to start from under the belt because we need to give it that illusion that is moving with the belt. Right, so now that we have that, you see this little sign at the bottom of the screen with the plus sign on top of it. So that's what we're going to click on. So you click on that and then it's going to show you this reddish thing. So once you do that, you just move the so just move the mask a little bit up. So you move it along with the belt. So move it up a bit, move it. So this might take a while, but just make sure that you take your time whilst doing this. Just make sure that you stay under the belt because we need to give it that proper illusion. And just continue to do it like that. So now we've done that, we're now going to play it and see how it's worked out. So you see guys, it's quite easy peasy. There's not much to it. Just make sure that you adjust the feathers properly to give it a very nice illusion. So yeah, just take your time with this. If you're trying this for the first time, it might be a bit tricky, but as you keep trying, you're gonna get the properly. So that's it guys, you can see how easy that was. It doesn't take a lot. I know it sounds like it looks so extensive, it looks like something that's gonna be so difficult, but as I'm just saying, it's not the most difficult thing out there. I'm gonna be keeping an eye out to see what you guys have created. Remember, I have a hashtag called Abby Niger videos, so use that hashtag or use creates with Abby hashtag so that I can see whatever gems or whatever amazing stuff, whatever cool videos you guys have created. I'll be keeping an eye out. I'll be watching out for that. For anyone who creates a video using some of my tutorials, remember to use that hashtag, and I'll be reposting the content on my story as well. You guys are amazing. I love you, and that's why I do this. Anyway, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.